Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B and I am back with another hair tutorial, you guys. I'm so excited because I bought 2 wigs from Nadula and it's here, you guys. I'm super excited.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
This is actually my first time buying from Nadula. So I bought 2 wigs. I bought a kinky curly kinky curly V-part wig, and I bought a body wave T-part wig. This is how the package looks. It's very cute, very dainty. But I'm ready to get into these wigs. I'm only going to be reviewing one wig today, and I really want to get the kinky curly wig on my head. So without further ado, guys. Oh, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. Again, my name is Alisia.B and I talk about natural hair. So again, if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button because a lot of videos are coming out, you guys, and I'm super excited for what I have in store for this channel. So click that subscribe button. Also click the post notification bell and the thumbs up. That way you get notified every single time I post another hit video. Now, without further ado, let's get into these wigs, you guys. I'm super excited. And side note, if you're really like wondering if Nadula is a good brand, this is a video to watch because I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on how it fits, how it feels, how it looks, and how it is. So my hair is already prepped for wigs. If you guys have not seen my last video, make sure you guys go check it out because I show you guys exactly how I get this hairstyle done. So it's ready for wigs, weaves, anything that you guys want to do. So this is the wig. And also, you guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I have videos of my first reaction and tutorials of everything. I just have everything on my Instagram, so don't forget to hit that follow button on Instagram. So this is the wig. I think I got an 18-inch, if I'm not mistaken. Tangles. The wig, like I said, it is a V part. And this is how it looks. It's super soft, just by like touching it right now, super soft. And this is how the V part looks. So right off rip, I legit thought it was supposed to be like a little bit of lace, but I might be wrong, who knows. But there's no lace, but honestly the hair looks amazing and I could deal with this. Like I could always put my hair over it, or I could just crochet, so I could do it. This is no problem. We have a comb at the back, a comb on each side, and then we have 4 clips and then another clip right at the base of the V part. I don't do the combs. I usually take it out and I just either sew in the weave onto my hair, or I just like pin it down. But I'm gonna try the combs and see how it is with this V part because Lord knows I'm trying to be wild out here in the streets and then this thing just comes out. So I'm actually gonna go wash it really quick and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's wet. So alright guys, so I'm done with the cold wash and this is how the hair looks when it is wet. It's about like 80% wet right now, but this is how it looks. The curls look really nice. And even when I brushed it out, like, it's not shedding. Like, the hair is really good. Like, this is minimal shedding, but this is what you would expect when you comb out your hair, right? So that's nothing. And this is how it looks. You guys, it feels so soft and like, honestly, it feels so good. And just look at it. Just look at the curls. I love the way it looks. And it doesn't tangle. Like, I can literally run my fingers through the hair and not worry about it tangling. So before I put the wig on my head, you guys always protect your hair. So I am going in with the Silk Elements Renourish Jojoba Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This one has biotin and silk in it. And after that, I'm going to coat my hair with some oil. I'm not going to put a lot because it's going to seep through the wig and I don't want the wig to look too plasticky. Ow. Fail. She is on, and you guys, I like it a lot. Oh my god, I look like my mother. Oh my gosh. But anyways, this is the hair, you guys. Give it a nice brush out. And make sure when you brush your hair to hold it at the root so you're not ripping out your own hair. This is the hair. I'll give you guys a 360. And you guys, it feels so light. Like, it does not feel heavy at all. Ugh, I love this hair so far. This is how I want my natural hair to be. Like, honestly, this is what I aspire to get. Like, this hair is just living. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I knew it. I knew I was doing something with this hair. I had it envisioned, and now it just looks better than I thought it would be. It looks like it's coming out of my damn scalp. Like, it looks like hair that is meant to be on my head. So what we're going to do now is, because they have tracks here, for whatever reason, I didn't think they were supposed to have tracks. So that's the con of this wig. There's tracks here that literally shows where the, like, this is a wig, and I don't want that. So I'm going to take my crochet needle, and I'm going to crochet the hair closer to the track to cover it. That way you guys can't see the track. So hopefully I'm going to do it, and you guys could, like, probably see what I'm trying to say. I am done now crocheting the middle part. Now, the key to this part now is literally back combing your hair. Just like that. You hold up your strand of hair and you just comb it towards your roots. And there you go. Now I'm going to take some mousse. You guys know I use Texture ID mousse. There we go, Texture ID. This hair again is so thick, so you need to get it all throughout the strands, and don't forget the back as well. And this is the shedding from it. You guys want to know volume. And then this is it. So I'm going to let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Alright, so this is the hair all dried, you guys. I really want to shape it, but I'm not the best at shaping hair. But I cut it a little bit just to get like all the dead ends out, because if you cut your own hair, you should be cutting your wigs and weaves as well. But this is how it looks, you guys. I love it so much. It looks so natural. And like I said, the part looks good. So yeah, you guys, this is from Nadula hair. I'm gonna put the link of this hair down in the description below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. So my final thoughts on this hair, the manageability of it is really good. You could definitely handle it. You could run your hands through it and there's no knots. Shedding, there's minimal to no shedding. With every wig and weave you buy, you're gonna get shedding no matter what. But it's not too excessive, so that's really good. The cap fits really well right now. Surprisingly for me, the clips aren't that annoying, so I kept them in. The softness is there, the shine and luster is really there. My only problem was with the tracks right here. I really wish that it came with a lace and not full-on tracks. But again, we managed to cover it up with the crochet method and it looks really good. So other than that, I will give this hair a 9 out of 10. Like, you guys, really good. I'm going to do a follow-up. I'm going to wear this wig like a couple times, see how it keeps up with the weather, manipulation, and all that good stuff. And then I'll come back and do a follow-up and see how the hair held up and see if it's really good. But right now, I'll definitely give it a 9 out of 10. I really like it. And again, I'll show you guys how it looks. Yeah, and again, this is the Afro Kinky hair. I'm going to put it down in the description below just in case you guys want to purchase it. The link will be down below. And that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a newcomer. Again, my name is Alisia.B, and thank you so much for watching and for your support. I love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.